Alright, check out the creek. Kind of high, kind of very stained, maybe a foot of visibility. But we're gonna give it a shot. Well, Mike wants to check out the mouth of the creek. Creek's up and stained. It is fishable. Foot of visibility a little more. But Mike wants to check out the mouth. We didn't get a chance to fish it last time here because the waves were crashing pretty hard. But it's pretty nice today. What do you think, Mike? The lake looks nice and flat over here. A little ripple on it, not much. We're just arriving on the creek around noon, huh?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna start out trying the mouth. Currents run along the shoreline today. Over here in the lake, it's actually pretty clear. What is it? Steelhead? Chrome? We got to get him in. He's running. He's making a run, huh? Couple guys in boats here. Guys got planer boards out. That white jig works, huh? Yeah. Even in the lake. All right, man. I always wanted to try it. Last time we were here, the waves were so high we couldn't even get cast out there. I'm like, waves were knocking us around. Steelhead on the white jig. The mouth of the creek fishing. Might have found something here, Mike. You figure it's best early in the morning. We're here, what's it, got to be 12:30 right now. And Mike's got a nice steely on. Let's take him ashore and have a look. There's the creek. Nice size steelhead there. All right, man. Nice Lake Erie steelhead. Nice chromer right off the beach.
Yeah.
You got that white jig way up in there, huh?
Yeah.
There she goes. There she goes. There she goes, back out in the Lake Erie. All right, man. See if you get another one on the jig. Work that jig, man. I missed one. I wasn't looking. My float went down. I just switched to a jig. Mike came over on my side of the mouth of the creek. Look at that. He's got his second hook up here on the jig at the mouth.
You hit it when I was jigging it.
It slammed under, huh? Whoa, nice one, man. Creek's a little dirty. Creek's a little dirty, but out here it's pretty clear, huh?
Yeah.
There he come. On the white jig, man. There he come. Here he come.
There you go.
There you go. He saw me, man. Oh, he got off. Fish on. All right. Fish is 6-pound test, so I got to take it easy with him. Whoa, whoa.
He running.
Whoa, he running.
Working it for a little while.
Yeah,
finally got one.
I think I had one hit because I didn't see my bobber. I'm only set maybe about half as deep as it is. That's a nice one, huh?
Oh yeah. Nice.
Well, Mike had 3 hits, 2 hookups, and I think I might have had a hit, but this is my first hookup. Been at it for about an hour.
That's a nice one.
There he comes. He's tagged up. Tagged up. Nice Lake Erie steelhead. All right, man.
On the jig.
See ya. All right, man. Working the white marabou under the float. See how it looks in the water. Right along the bar here at the mouth, right at the old creek channel, there's like a bar and it drops right off. Get a little jig, 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 pause it. Mike's been getting his on a steady swim. I got my fish on a jig, jig, and a pause. Oh no, just hooked it. Let that one go. 2 casts later, I got another one. You see him jumping? Look at him go, Mike. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Whoa! Nice one.
Whoa. Whoa.
It seems like the ones you hook out here in the lake fight a little harder, huh?
Yeah. I want my jig back.
Right there on that jig.
Yeah.
On the jig.
Nice and easy. See ya. All right. All right, man. No skunking. Oh, we had 5 hookups over here in the lake at the mouth of the creek. Missed a couple other hits. And we're gonna head up the creek. It's kind of dirty. We'll head up the creek, see if we get one out of the creek. Water's a lot colder in the creek than is the lake. And I'll head up, see if there's any place to fish. I don't want to go too far because I want to try the mouth again in the evening. Right now it's kind of bright sunny out there. What's the water, about a foot of visibility? Yeah. The other creeks we seen were even dirtier.
Hey, that was a huge trout.
Oh yeah?
Beautiful trout.
It's got a rainbow.
No, apparently, I've been talking to people, they must have stopped a bunch of these.
Mike just hooked up. We just moved up into the creek. I call it a little stalker, a little tiny fingerling. Mike's got a steelhead on there. You got you a decent one, Mike, or a shaker? Shaker, huh? Hey, fish is a fish, man. Come across, see what Mike's got here. Huh? Little jack. Hey, it's a fish, man. There we go. Well, we got a few on the lake. First one up in the creek.
Little jack.
Fish is a fish, man. If I want to eat some fish, I'll get some perch or crappie, or walleye. See ya. All right, man.
All right.
No skunking.
Little baby
They must have
rainbow.
just stocked it, huh? All right, fish on. A little side pocket here. Really not much of a hole. Whoa.
Got one on.
This fish looked like it'd been in here a while, Mike.
Huh?
Looked like it'd been in here a while.
Colored up fish, huh? Looks like a nice one. Nice.
Nice steelhead, huh?
Oh yeah. Another nice quality fish.
All right, man. You ready? You ready? go. No skunking. Well, got 2 in the lake, 1 in the creek. Water's high, flowing big, muddy. Still got a fish. Come and fish where Mike's been fishing. He ain't getting no bites in a while. First cast. That's a nice one, dude. That's a nice one.
Now I'll tell you how the story really goes. I'm fishing here. He's like, here, you go try the front. I want to try it there. Takes my spot, hooks my fish.
What's your boulder, dude? Oh, dude, that's a nice big one. That's a big one, huh? Nice big one, huh, Mike?
Gotta take it easy when I'm taking it easy.
No, I ain't milking him. He's strong, dude. Now you're gonna make me break him off. I know, it's the biggest fish of the day. Hell's on a peach.
Nice one.
Should change our channel to no skunking fishing, huh? Yeah, we ain't gonna catch nothing. Get closer. There's the egg sack. Yeah. All right, man. Man, I love fishing. Got to get out here, enjoy the great outdoors, catch yourself a few nice steelhead. Working our way back down to the lake. We've been up in the creek for about an hour. Got three steelhead and a bunch of little steelhead fingerlings. There's a ton of little fingerlings in here right now. Mike just said he just hooked up. Decent one? Oh yeah. See what we got.
Pressure ones,
Oh yeah.
this one's on a pink.
Yeah, I see that. All right, man, we're working our way back down the lake. We're gonna get the jigs back on and try the lake. It looks like the lake's getting a little choppy. Maybe not such a good idea. All right, let's get him in here. See what we got. That's a nice one. Not a monster like the Lake Ontario bows, but nice, decent Lake Erie trib steelhead. All right, Mike. All right, man. Mike got a nice Lake Erie tributary steelhead. All right, man.
Nice one.
Nice Lake Erie tributary steelhead.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's more than ready. He's more than ready. All right, man. What do you think?
All right, man. This is fun.
Fun times, huh? I just hooked one. He flew out of the water, ran, jumped, and bust me off on my 6 pound. How big was that one, Mike?
That had to be in the 10-pound range.
Looked like a 10-pound rainbow. Didn't even get him on camera. That one had big red cheeks on him, huh?
Yeah.
And we're right near the mouth. Figure that one out. Mike's got another hookup after. Oh, I lost a 10-pounder. He just lost a nice one. Hey, can't win them all, right? Mike just hooked up again. I'll tell you, we're on our way down to the lake to fish the jigs again, and Mike got one. I had a 10-pounder on a big, colorful 10-pounder, and Mike just lost one after that, and now he's got another one. So it's hard to leave fish to find fish, right, Mike? Is he still on? Yeah, he's on. Down towards the back is a big stick that sticks out right about where I am. You gotta put some pressure on him, man. There's a big stick right there. Still on? Can't get you in that tree yet? Hey, take him back behind there. Let him go downstream. All right. Let him go down. Don't get away from that snag, 'cause there's a snag right in front of that rock. There's no snags back there. He's down past the snag. I think we're good here.
Strong fish.
Strong fish, man.
Strong fish.
Get a look at him. Oh yeah, strong fish, man. Fighting him for a while, huh?
Yeah.
There he come. Oh, that's a nice chromer. Tell you what, there's some chrome fish down here, and there's some dark fish that decided not to run, huh?
Yep.
Having a good time today, huh?
Oh yeah.
Beats watching the Bills get their butts kicked by the Bears, huh?
Yeah.
It turned into an awful season, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Here we come. All right, man. Get that. All right, man. Not the 10-pounder I lost, but it's decent. All right, beauty chromer, man. All right, get him off the hook. We'll set him free. You see, the bottom drops off. You get out here about a foot. About a foot, you can no longer see the bottom out here. It's kind of muddy. All right, Mike. See if we get another one. Mike talked me into it. We're going to go down and give the lake a try. See if we can end the day on a high note. Just to see how it is under low light conditions. We were hooking in. We hooked in a 5, missed a couple bites midday. You think it would be better now, right, Mike? Mike's gonna give it a shot. A little rougher now, huh? Yeah. Oh, it's a big one's coming, Mike. Mike. Oh. I just missed one. He thumped it hard. I missed the hook set on the white jig. I had a shot. We got a few more minutes left. We had a bunch of hookups, and I think we landed 4 apiece. That's better than a lot of guys did. I'm sure some guys did better, but less than ideal conditions on the stream today. All right, man, let's call it. I had 1 hit I missed. I think it's better early in the morning. What do you think? Try it. We'll have to try it sometime. But we were getting fish 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, huh? All right. Yeah. Not a bad day of fishing. We got a few out in the lake right around noon, 1 o'clock. We tried in the creek. It's a little dirty, but we caught some fish in the creek too.
Yeah, all in all, I'd say it was a pretty good day.
Pretty good day.
Landed, what, 4 apiece?
Yeah. And we lost some too. I lost a 10-pounder, man. Mike's seen him.
Yeah, it was
giant, man. Oh, it was real colorful too. I was surprised this low in the creek. Anyhow, we'll probably save this video for next week. Probably ain't gonna fish for a couple weeks.
Yeah, my mom's going for surgery, so probably be in the hospital for 4 or 5 days, so we probably won't get out for a little bit, but
yeah, well,
at least we got a decent trip.
Decent trip for the beginning of November. Like I said, we're probably not gonna be out for a couple weeks, so we'll see to save this video, upload it next week, seeing how we're not gonna have one. Seeing how I just put that big monster brown trout video up yesterday, right?
Yep.
All right, man. Hopefully mom's all right. She makes it through the surgery, and we'll be back out fishing in a few weeks.
All right.
Let's call it a day, man.
All right.
Until next time, see ya. Lake Erie. Sure glad we didn't stay home and watch the Bills game. What was the final score, Mike?
Oh, they got blown out again, 41-9.
41-9 by the Chicago Bears. Come on.
Yeah, that's a wrap for this season. Hopefully they just lose the rest of the games and get a better draft pick.
Get a better draft pick, draft another quarterback, because I don't know about this one.